I'm installing an oversized brake tip from Enduro Engineering. This one's a 45 millimeter, but it also comes in a 35 millimeter. To remove the OEM tip, you'll need a T25 Torx. You'll be reusing these screws, so be careful not to strip them out. Same one goes when retightening them. Make sure you don't over tighten them. There's no torque spec that I found in the manual that's specific. Just probably about 12 inch-pounds is all I'd say here. There's two positions, a forward and a back there. I'm using some medium strength thread lockers so that they'll hold in place without working loose, but that they'll also come loose again without stripping out the heads later if I need to remove it. Here's a size comparison as well as a look at the grip on the new pedal. I think it's a nice upgrade, and looking forward to using it. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you like and subscribe.